American Studies Topic 1.3 Lecture Notes. How to use this video. Watch this video to check your notes and review for the assessment. Have your notes open so you can make any needed changes. You can pause the video and also go back if you missed something. Let's get started. American Studies Topic 1.3 Europeans Make Contact. People and economies in 15th century Europe were dependent on agriculture to survive, and most people lived in the countryside. But cities were growing. Inequities of wealth and poverty divided European society. A small percentage of the population controlled almost all of the land. What were the Crusades? The Crusades were a series of religious wars between Christianity and Islam. Christians wanted to reclaim the Holy Land. The effects of the Crusades. Europeans were exposed to the outside world and foreign cultures, which encouraged them to explore the world. It also opened the doors to trade with faraway countries, creating new industries and great wealth for some. The causes of the Renaissance. The printing press spread knowledge of the world and different cultures. There was a spirit of curiosity and a desire to know more about the natural world. Wealth from trade and commerce supported by banking, manufacturing and merchants fueled the Renaissance. The Iberian Peninsula explores across the Atlantic. There were different causes for Spanish exploration. The Reconquista was when Ferdinand and Isabella drove out the Muslims and united Iberia into the nation of Spain. They needed new trade routes to reduce Muslim domination of trade. Spain was in competition with Portuguese Atlantic island plantations. They wanted to expand European influence in Christianity. They were inspired by new ideas from the Renaissance. And new sailing technologies had made long-distance voyages possible. What was the effect of Christopher Columbus? He was influenced by Vikings' journeys to the Americas. As a result of his voyages, he found source of riches. This made European nations more powerful than Muslim world. The Spanish in America. Amerigo Vespucci's discovery showed South America as a continent. Conquistadors led the way and conquered the native population. It was easy because they had superior technology and introduced new diseases. "80% of native population died from disease." As a result of Spain's contact and conquest of the Americas, the population in Europe grew. Bonus questions. Use the lecture notes and your reading guide to answer these questions. You can pause the video. What was European life like in the 1400s? What caused the spread of ideas in Renaissance Europe? How was the nation of Spain created? What influenced Christopher Columbus' confidence that he could cross the Atlantic safely? What was the effect of Europeans' contact with the people of the Americas? Why was Europe a divided society in the 1400s? What effect did the Crusades have on Europe? Which new technologies expanded European trade in the late 1400s? How did the Spanish conquistadors defeat the native inhabitants of the Americas? How did European leaders view and treat Native Americans?